Also, the scanning, the reference scanning the previous denture. In this case, I printed this denture just to test the occlusion for the patient, and then I scan and with this protocol, and I send directly to the lab. This is a very important procedure, a very important option, because we don't need to scan before or to obtain prototypes. We just can use the prosthesis of the patient, and then is not necessary to send the prosthesis to the lab. So in this case, I just scan the prosthesis, and then I remove the silicone, and I add all of the data for the patient.